there's shit in the camera now. Oh, Jenny, clean the lens.
Ew.
Hey guys!
Today we'll be doing a baking competition. So today I'll be making an apple crumble and Kenny's gonna make
A Bakewell tart. I don't know what that is, but I googled it, and yeah, this is my first time baking. She's actually a pro, so hopefully she doesn't, you know, wreck me. But yeah, it's gonna be a tight, tough competition. And yeah, so if there's a little bit of fur up here, sorry for the dead rat. We got a new mic, so there's gonna be better audio for you guys. And yeah,
I've actually never made apple crumble before, so it's gonna be a first for me too.
well, I've never baked, so I think you're in the lead.
And then after we're done, we're gonna let our family try it, and then they're gonna vote for the best one.
Yeah, the winner's just gonna have, you know, pride.
Okay, cool. Okay, let's start.
That's the coolest fucking story I've ever heard in my entire life. That's insane. Can I hear it again?
All right, we are on the way. We are on the way. My first step is to butter the cupcake tin thing. So melt it, you know. Now, butter it up. Hang on. Yeah. Just butter it up. The thing is, I don't have pastry cutter, so with my genius brain I have come up with something spectacular. So now we're going to try and find an object that's 10 centimeters in diameter, roughly. I say this cup. Babe, you think this is 10 centimeters?
It has to be 10 centimeters like to fill up this.
Oh, exact. I found it. So we're going to make 12 of these. Watch. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first circle. Come with me. Our first circle. Let's see if it fits. Voila, it fits. I think that's what I meant. Oh, there's holes in them. Oh shit, what do I do? Oh, so it's gotta be bigger. Right? Oh my, I have no idea, I give up. It's over.
Hey,
How am I meant to make this?
that's why I told you to read the recipe. You didn't listen.
Okay, just ran upstairs, got me rolling pin, you know, and there we go. So it's a bit cold, blowing on a little bit. You put it on some flour and you just roll it out. And now let's try put it in. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Kids, never give up.
Hi everyone, Jenny here. So now I'm going to attempt to make a caramel. I watched Gordon Ramsay's YouTube video and he said to put sugar and a bit of cinnamon and wait for the sugar to brown and then add the apples.
Guys, strife. Oh! 3-second rule!
No wonder you don't want to eat your own food.
I feel sorry for who's gonna eat this.
An update on my dish.
Oh, there's a hair in mine.
Ew. Is that the microphone hair?
No.
Your hair?
No, it's not hair.
Update on my dish. I've caramelized the apple. I think it's kind of burnt. I don't know. It looks a bit funny. It doesn't look like Gordon Ramsay's. I'm just going to mix this up now and then put it into the pan and then make the crumble that goes on top.
Who's your daddy?
I always spank my dough. Who's your daddy?
So we were talking before and we were discussing whether there should be a punishment or not.
No punishment.
Yes, but Kenny suggested that
I do not.
Kenny suggested that the loser has to lick their dog's bumhole. Like, why would he suggest that? Like, that is so disgusting.
Why would you lie about that?
Why would I lie? And then Kenny goes, I've done worse.
No, I didn't say that.
You did, you
didn't
just
say-
said that.
Oh my gosh.
Who are they going to believe more? Me or you?
They want to believe you. I mean, I hope they don't want to believe you. Yeah. You want to kiss your dog's bum?
I don't. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
You're nasty.
You're nasty. You're freaky.
Freaky.
You're the one that's slapping the dough.
Yeah. What is this? Spanked. Update. Probably gonna lose this, but there's no punishment. As you can see, if I come over here, camera. As you can see, this is a poor effort by me. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is our first time baking. Alright?
Your mom will be proud, don't worry.
Sure.
Do you think yours is gonna taste good?
I don't know, because I'm missing a lot of ingredients because I'm lazy. I don't want to put the almonds in there because couldn't be bothered buying almonds.
Put the shopping there.
I just couldn't bother grounding them.
They're already grounded though.
Oh, should have told me.
I just thought you didn't want to put them in. Like I thought you didn't like them.
Oh my god. If I lose, it's because of you.
I knew you were gonna say that.
If I get 7, I'll be happy. Like, read this with me. So, and I'll say it. Oh.
If it's too much jam, it'll be too sweet.
I like sweet. Nothing as sweet as you, Jenny.
You didn't want to kiss me.
I'm a competitor and we're in a competition right now.
But I'm still sweet.
After.
Oh.
Well, nothing as sweet as victory beating you.
I'm scared to eat your food, to be honest.
You should be. Yep.
Ew.
Never once in this video or throughout this whole time cooking did I ever doubt myself. Did I ever want to give up? Probably gonna lose this. I have no idea. I give up. It's over. I don't know if that's going on there. Did you put soap in there? You sabotaged it, didn't you?
I swear I didn't.
So this dead rat is really annoying us. So what we're gonna do is just gonna give it a nice trim, nice fade. Right. Update. This is what it looks like. Oh, I gotta put the cherry on top.
Oh, the cherry's the best part. So, I don't have any plates in my kitchen at the moment, so I just put the apple crumble in a container. See what it looks like. I put in some cream on the side.
Voila!
So what is your dish called?
Bakewell tart. Bakewell tart. Is it? I think it's horrible. Other than that, it's like, it's good.
Really?
Mm.
How many spring rolls?
Like 8.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So you're proud?
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, it's good. 7.5.
7. Right, I'm gonna try your one before you try it. Apples are a little bit sour.
Really?
I don't really like the cream.
Really?
I'm gonna say 7.5.
Let me try. I want to try.
How much in rolls?
I don't know, 7.
I have a feeling I'm gonna win.
It's like 1 a.m. guys. Is that it? Why are you giving it to me?
Oh, hi guys. Say hello. Hello.
Sao cứng quá vậy?
Good. 8 điểm.
8 điểm? Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
What's that? Why is it cream?
Because it's supposed to be like that. It's
What?
apple crumble. How many points? How many spring rolls?
Like out of 10, like a 5. Nó phải cứng rồi.
Yeah. Nó mày thử cái này.
No, it's okay. It's just why is it cream?
See?
Đừng bỏ kem vô.
She gets
Cái này thôi.
mấy điểm.
Thử cái nữa.
Yeah, đừng có
2 cái xem.
Oh. Just try again without the cream then.
I love it.
How many spring rolls?
Like a 6.
And then try that one.
Like a 5. It's so sweet.
So, is that a 5?
Yeah.
And this one's a 6?
Yeah. Yeah. What is this?
Apple crumble?
She hates it.
Right?
I am. Like a 6.
Alright.
like this one. I like this one a lot better.
How many spring rolls?
Like an 8 or a 9. I actually really like this. What the hell?
It's so sour.
Do you like it? How much do you rate it out of 5? I mean, out of 10.
7.
7?
That's a 6.
This? What is this?
It's a tart. Did you get something inside?
Oh, that's yum.
I feel like it's Jenny's.
9.
9?
But nicer than the apple crumble.
Right, I like it. It tastes so good.
I know, right? Cherry?
No, I'm giving it a 10.
A 10?
Like a 9.
It
doesn't know.
8. 8? 8? Wow. Just grab it and bite it.
Hard to say.
Is it a draw? The same?
Yeah, draw.
8? 8?
Draw, 8.
Oh. Which one do you think I cooked and which one do you think Jenny cooked?
Can chắc cái này quá.
Me this one? And then Jenny this one? Tell you later. Secret.
Thank you.
Alright, Alice.
I like it though. It's just a bit burnt. Too crunchy. 7.
7? Oh, okay.
But to be fair, I don't really like apple crumble. So it's gonna be biased. Definitely a 2.
2? Who do you think cooked what?
From the reaction, I know Jenny cooked the apple crumble. You cooked the tart.
Secret.
Hey guys, what's up? Please subscribe to Andy with Helen. Today we are testing their baking skills.
Yeah?
Don't say what you think yet.
I think that's like a solid 8 out of 10 spring rolls. That's pretty solid. Spring rolls.
I'll give it like an 8 or 9 man. It's good.
Yeah.
It's really good.
This is better.
Oh, what?
I'm sorry. Oh my god. 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Amazing.
It's really, really yummy.
Yeah. I think we got the apple one too high. That is amazing. So we're supposed to go on a diet, but obviously that's over.
10.
10. 2 10s.
Alright, who do you think cooked what?
I think Jenny made this.
Made what?
This I thought the top.
The 10 out of 10?
There's more skill
10
to
out
it,
of
you
10.
know.
Yeah.
Ah.
Girls usually
Yeah.
a bit more skillful, you know. Usually.
Yeah.
Not stereotypically.
So we're locking it in. Jenny made the tart.
I cooked the tart.
Oh!
It's actually Kenny's first time.
It's my first time ever baking.
Oh my god.
You guys heard it.
That's so good.
Congrats.
Hey, hold
But
this.
there's no punishment.
Hold this. Hold it.
But there's
Hold
no
it.
punishment.
So thanks for watching, guys. You know, I told you I'd win. No moment during the video I thought I was gonna lose. I had full confidence in myself the whole time. You know, you heard Andy, 10 out of 10. You heard Helen, 10 out of 10. And there was some off-camera comments that said like mine was really good. But yeah, it was a fun competition. I'm happy to you know, be humble about the win. It was a little bit hurtful that people thought that the tarts were Jenny's because apparently it required more skill.
I mean, you should be flattered.
See you guys in the next one.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Bye.
I'm getting attacked.